is the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 folding e-bike. And it's also a mountain bike, and it's for suburbia too. As you can see, I am on a lake. I'm in Minnesota. We have multiple lakes here. And so summer is just starting, and it's the perfect time for this. I'm gonna bring you closer and show you everything it's got. Right here is how you're gonna turn it on. The plus sign is gonna make the pedal assist go up, goes to 5, and this is gonna bring it down. These handlebars are really nice. You can see this right here, which makes it really nice to grip and hold on to, and then easy to reach the brake handle. And right here is the throttle. You just have to use one finger, my thumb here, and I put it down, and you are easy riding. It comes with full suspension. Button right here shows you more of your ride there. And this button here is going to turn on the headlight. It has hydraulic brakes and these great 20x4-inch tires that'll get you through any terrain during any season. Right here is where the battery is housed. Full suspension right here for riding over those rough terrains. A really comfortable adjustable saddle. A really sturdy kickstand. This is where the motor is. Back brakes. We have the right side handle grip and brake. And it comes with 8-speed Shimano gears. It also has a really nice bike rack to carry things when you're on the go. The Pro 2 is foldable, and all you're going to do is push this out and pull it forward. That's where the battery lives. And this lever is to fold the handlebars down. And you are ready to travel. The Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 comes in 3 different colors: space black, midnight blue, and mountain green. It has a max speed of 20 miles per hour with the throttle and 28 miles per hour with the pedal assist. It has 1200 watt peak power and a 52V 16 amp hour battery that gets you 68 miles per charge. The Engine Pro 2.0 comes with full suspension, allowing for a smooth and comfortable ride. It also comes with upgraded hydraulic brakes, providing faster braking response time. And its smaller size means bigger adventures because you can take it anywhere. The Pro 2's maximum load is 330 pounds, and a suggested height for riders is between 5'4" and 6'2". And I can never stress this enough. Always wear a helmet. Safety first. These e-bikes go really fast, and this one's also a mountain bike. So you want to make sure you're protected, especially this thing. Be smart about it. Okay, you know what time it is? Let's ride. This is the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 folding e-bike, and this is going to get you wherever you want to go. You know, it's summer here right now in Minnesota, and we have 4 seasons, but I think really 2 now. We usually just have summer and winter, it feels like. But this is going to get you through any season, and it's going to take you on any adventure you want to go on. So I'm going to put all the information in the description box below, and you yourself can get one of these. So you know what to do. Go out, make an adventure, no matter how big or how small. You have to sell everything and move into a van. You can just get yourself one of these. And go call someone you love, and as Joy says, tell them that you love them, and don't you dare forget your magic. I will see you in the next one. Bye.